Hi, everybody. It's Miss Curry. How are you? I cannot believe that we are on week 6 of our continuous learning plan. I think the next time I see you, you all are going to have grown at least a foot taller. This week, for kindergarten, first, and second grade, you're going to be exploring high sounds and low sounds. Everybody sing high, everybody sing low. Do you remember? Oh my goodness, there's so many fun ideas. You get to pretend you are different animals and sing one of your favorite songs. If you want, you can even sing our frog song. 5 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool and swam right to school. Then there were 4 speckled frogs. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. I hope you have lots of fun picking a song and singing. For third, fourth, and fifth grade, you are going to be working on creating an ostinato. Ostinato. What's that word mean again? It's a short, repeated phrase. It can be melodic or it can be rhythmic. We did some fun activities where we would sing a song and we would have like a consistent background going. That pattern that I'm clapping is an ostinato. You get to use a really neat website, the Chrome Music Lab. I hope you have lots of fun, and I can't wait to hear all about the fun activities you do. Boys and girls, it is so nice to be able to send you this message. I hope it finds you well, and I can't wait till I can give you lots of hugs and high fives and we can make music together again. I'll see you next week, okay? Bye, everybody.